All right, Facebook family, it is Wednesday today, which means we are at the Fox13 studios getting ready to introduce Trixie here to everybody so that we can find Trixie. Hopefully we can find her a home. Trixie here is a 10-year-old Karen Terrier. She's 10-year-old and 10 pounds. Now, Karen Terriers typically will get anywhere from about 13 to 14 pounds. Trixie's 10 pounds at 10 years old. She's probably fully grown, but they'll also live, Karen Terriers on average will live anywhere from 13 to 15 years. So Trixie here should have a lot of life still left in her. Unfortunately, she was an owner surrender. The owner had some health issues and so basically surrendered Trixie to the Utah Humane Society in hopes of finding her a new home. So on that note, if you guys know anybody who's thinking about adopting a cute 10-pound dog, then definitely check out the Utah Humane Society's website. You can see if Trixie's still available. She's got a lot of energy. For 10 years old, she's still very, very playful and very, very hyper. So cute dog, and hopefully somebody is looking to adopt her. All right, guys, thanks for watching.